Now the disclaimer is the images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creator and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and you have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images.
Now the question is, the average age of a woman and her daughter is 16 years. The ratio of their ages is 7:1. What is the woman's age? Now there are 5 options. A is 4 years, B is 28 years, C is 32 years, D is 6 years, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time starts now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question is, the average age of a woman and her daughter is given 16 years. So we can say that the average age is 16. So the total age of woman and her daughter will become 16 into 2, which is 32 years. Now question says that the ratio of their ages is 7:1. So what is the woman's age? Now the correct answer of this question is B, which is 28 years. Now see the solution of this question. So we use formula for this question is 5.1.1 in this question. So let woman's age is 7x because ratio is given 7:1. So we can let it woman's age is 7x and daughter's age is x here. So according to question, 7x plus x equals to 2 into 16. So 8x equals to 32. So we can say that x will become 32 upon 8, which is equals to 4 year. So we can say that woman's age will become 7x. So we get the x, which is equals to 4 year. So woman's age will become 7 into 4, which is equals to 28 year. So B is the correct answer. Next one. At present, Palas is 3 times Arnav's age. After 7 years, Palas will be twice Arnav's age. Then how many times will Palas's age will be another 14 times with respect to Arnav's age then? Now there are 5 options. A is 1, B is 3, C is 2, D is 1.5 and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time starts now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So first we need to understand the question. Question says that Palas is 3 times Arav's age at present. It is given and question says that after 7 years, Palas will be twice the Arav's age. Now the question asks you, how many times will Palas age will be another 14-year time with respect to Arav's age then? So the correct answer of this question is D, which is 1.5 times. Now see the solution. So solution of this question is, let the present age of Palas and Arav be P year and A year. We'll let it as respectively. So according to question, we can say that in present time, P equals to A into 3 times of Arnav. So, and after 7 years, so we can say that P plus 7 equals to A plus 7 multiplying by 2, twice of the age of Arav. Now, so when we solve it, we get P plus 7 equals to 2A plus 14. So we can say that P equals to 2A plus 7. Or we can say that we know that P equals to 3A. So we can put the value of P, which is equals to 3A. So we get 3A equals to 2A plus 7. So we get A equals to 7 here. Now P will become 3A. So age of Arnav will become 7 years. So age of Palas will become 3 times of Arnav age. So which is 21 year. So the age of Arnav after 21 year, A plus 21. So Arnav's present age is 7. After 21 year will become 28 year. So the age of Palas after 14 year. So 21 plus 21 which is equals to 42 years. So D is the correct. So the required ratio will become, now we know that the Palas age after 14 year become 21 and 21 which is 42 year. So required ratio will become, so the required ratio will become P plus 21 upon A plus 21. So we know that P is 42, Palas age is 42, so plus 21, and Arnav age is 7 plus 21, so it will become 28. So the ratio will become 3 by 2. So when we simplifying it, we get 1.5. When we divide 3 by 2, we get 1 by 1.5 times. So D is the correct answer. Next one. The age of a man is 3 times the sum of the ages of his two sons. After 5 years hence, his age will be double the sum of their ages. The present age of the man is, there are 5 options. A is 35 years, B is 45 years, C is 53 years, D is 54 years, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. So question says that the age of man is 3 times the sum of the age of his two sons. Now question is, after 5 years hence, his age will be double of the sum of their ages. Now the present age of his man. So the correct answer of this question is B, which is 45 year. Now see the solution of this question. So let the sum of the ages of his two sons is x year. So the age of man become 3x because x is the sum of age of two sons. So we can say that the age of father will become 3x. So after 5 year, 3x plus 5, father age will become, the age of man will become 3x plus 5 and son's age will become x plus 5 because there are two sons. So each increases by 5 years. So it will be become x plus 10. Now question says that after 5 years the age is double of the sum of their ages. So we can say them 2 times. So multiplying by 2. So we get 3x plus 5 equals to 2x plus 20. So we get x equals to 15. Now we know that the sum of their ages of two sons is x years. So we get x equals to 15. So the age of the man will become 3 times of x. So 3 into 15 become 45 years. So B is the correct answer. Next one. The ratio between Gloria's and Sarah's present age is 4:7 respectively. 2 years ago, the ratio between their ages was 1:2 respectively. What will be the Sarah's age 3 years hence? Now there are 5 options. A is 17 years, B is 14 years, C is 11 years, D is 18 years, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So first we need to understand the question. Question says that Gloria and Sarah's present age ratio is 4:7. It is given in the question. Now question says that given the condition is 2 years ago the ratio between their ages was 1:2 respectively. What will be the Sarah's age 3 years hence? So the correct answer of this question is A, 17 year. Now see the solution of this question. So formula used, we use the formula 5.1.2 in this question. So let Gloria's and Sarah's present age be 4x and 7x respectively according to question. So 2 years ago, so we can say that 4x minus 2 upon 7x minus 2 equals to 1 upon 2 because the ratio is given 1:2. So we can compare it. Now when we solve it, we get the value of x. So 8x minus 4 equals to 7x minus 2. So when we calculate, we get the value of x which is 2 year. So Sarah's is 3 year hence. So 7x plus 3. So we know that x equals to 2. So 7 into 2 will become 14. plus 3, which is equals to 17 year. So A is the correct answer. Next. At the time of their marriage, the husband was 7 years older than his wife. After 1 year of their marriage, the ratio of their ages was 4:3. The age of husband at the time of the marriage was, now there are five options. A is 20 year, B is 27 year, C is 34 year, D is 41 year, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that at the time of their marriage, the husband was 7 years older than his wife. It means husband will always 7 years older than his wife in any condition, because when a person is older than anyone at any time, it will be always, the difference between them is always constant. So in this question, husband is 7 years older than his wife. So in any condition, husband will be always 7 years older than his wife. Now, after 1 year of their marriage, the ratio of their ages was is given 4:3. Now, the age of husband at the time of marriage was, this is the question. So the correct answer of this question is B, which is 27 year. Now see the solution of this question. So we use formula 5.1.2 in this question. Now let the age of husband at the time of marriage is X year. So the age of wife at the time of marriage will become X minus 7. So we can say that after 1 year of their marriage, X plus 1 upon X minus 7 plus 1. This will be the ratio of husband and wife ages, and which is given, which is equals to 4 by 3. Ratio is given. So we can calculate the value of X. So we can cross multiplying it. We get 3 into X plus 1 is equals to 4 into X minus 4 into in the bracket X minus 7 plus 1. So we can say that X minus 6. So when we calculate, we get 3X plus 3 equals to 4X minus 24. So we get X equals to 27. B is the correct answer. Next one. A mother has three sons and they were born at an interval of 3 years. The total age of three sons is 24 years. The age of the youngest son is, now there are five options. A is 5 years, B is 6 years, C is 8 years, D is 11 years, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that a mother has three sons and they were born at an interval of 3 years, and that their total age of three sons is 24 years. Clear? Now the age of the youngest son is, so the correct answer of this question is A, which is 5 years. Now see the solution of this question. So let the age of the three son is X, X plus 3 and X plus 3. According to question, we can say that because all the son are born in an interval of 3 years. So X plus 3 plus X plus 6 is equals to 24, because it is given that the sum of their ages is 24. So we get 3X plus 9 equals to 24, or we can say that 3X equals to 24 minus 9, which is equals to 15. So we get X equals to 5. That is, the age of the youngest son is 5 years. The question is the youngest son age, which is, we let it as a X, so which is 5 years. So A is the correct answer. Next one. A is older than B by 5 years. 7 years hence, thrice age shall be equal to 4 times that of B. The present age of A is, now there are five options. A is 13, B is 8, C is 9, D is 7, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that A is older than B by 5 years, and it is given that 7 years hence, it means from the present age after 7 years, thrice age of A is equal to the 4 times age of B, that of B. So find the present age of A. So the correct answer of this question is A, which is 13 years. Now see the solution of this question. So let the age of A be X year. So the age of B will become X minus 5 year because A is older. So B will be X minus 5 year. Now according to question we can say that 7 year hence age of A will become X plus 7 and age of B will be X minus 5 plus 7. So when we compare it, now it is given that thrice age of A is equals to the 4 times that of B. So we multiplying by 3 into X plus 7 equals to 4 into X minus 5 plus 7. So we get 3x plus 21 equals to 4x minus 20 plus 28. So we get 3x plus 21 equals to 4x plus 8. When we subtract, we get x equals to 13 year. So age of A is 13 year. A is the correct answer. Next one. A father says to his son, 7 years ago, my age was 7 times of your age at that time, and after 3 years, my age will be thrice of your age. The present age of his son is. Now there are 5 options. A is 12, B is 15, C is 21, D is 24, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question is, a father says to his son, 7 years ago, my age was 7 times of your age at the time, and after 3 years, my age will be thrice of your age. Okay. So the correct answer of this question is A, 12 year. Now see the solution of this question. So present age of son is we let it as a X. So present age of father will be we let it as a Y. So we can say that according to question, 7 years ago, age of father is y minus 7 because we let the present age of father is y. So 7 years ago, the age of father will be y minus 7 and the age of son will be x minus 7. But in the question, it is says that 7 years ago, my age was 7 times of your age. So we can multiplying by 7 and compare it. So y minus 7 equals to 7 into x minus 7. So we get y minus 7 equals to 7x minus 49. Or we can say that 7x minus y equals to 42. This is our equation 1. After 3 years, y plus 3 equals to 3 times of x plus 3 according to question. So we get, when we multiplying it, we get 3x plus 9. So we get 3x minus y equals to minus 6. This is our equation 2nd. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get 4x equals to 48. So when we dividing 48 dividing by 4, so x will become 12 year. So the age of son is 12 year. We let x is the age present age of his son. So we get x equals to 12 years. So it means the age of son is 12 year. So A is the correct answer. Next one. 15 years hence, Priya will be just 4 times as old as she was 15 years ago. Her present age is. Now there are 5 options. A is 15, B is 25, C is 35, D is 40, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So 15 years hence, Priya will be just 4 times as old as she was 15 years ago. So the correct answer of this question is B, which is 25 years. Now see the solution of this question. So let the present age of Priya be x year. Then x plus 15 equals to 4 times of x minus 15. According to question, we can say that. So we get x plus 15 equals to 4x minus 60. Or we can say that 4x minus x equals to 60 plus 15. So we get 3x equals to 75. So x will become 75 upon 3. So we get x equals to 25 years. So the present age of Priya is 25 years. So B is the correct answer. Next one. The sum of the ages of Rinku and Gopal is 40 years. 5 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 3:7. The age of Rinku is, there are 5 options. A is 10 years, B is 30 years, C is 15 years, D is 25 years, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So sum of the ages of Rinku and Gopal is given, which is 40 years. So we can let it the present age of Rinku and Gopal. Sum of their ages is 40 years. And question says that 5 years hence the ratio of their ages will be 3:7. So age of Rinku. So the correct answer of this question is A, 10 year. Now see the solution of this question. So let the age of Rinku and Gopal 5 years hence be 3x and 7x. We let the present is about the present age, we let the 5 year hence. So let the 5 year hence age of Rinku is 3x and Gopal is 7x. It is given in the question ratio. So sum of their present age will become, subtracting 5 year age from the both of the ages, from Rinku's age and Gopal's age. Rinku age is 3x, so we can subtract it. 3x minus 5 plus 7x minus 5, which is sum of these two ages is equals to 40 year according to question. So we can say that 10x equals to 40 plus 10, which is equals to 50, or we can say that x equals to 5. So hence age of Rinku is 5 into 3 minus 5. So we get 15 minus 5, which is equals to 10 years. So the age of Rinku is 10 years. A is the correct answer. Next one. A person was asked to state his age in year. His reply was, take my age 3 times hence, multiplying it by 3, and then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago, and you will know how old I am. What was the age of the person? Now you have 5 options. A is 18 years, B is 20 years, C is 24 years, D is 32 years, and E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that a person was asked to state his age in years. So his reply was, take my age 3 years hence and multiplying it by 3, and then subtract 3 times of my age 3 years ago, and you will know how old I am. So the correct answer of this question is A, 18 years. Now see the solution of this question. So let the present age of the person be x year. Then we can say that according to question, x plus 3 multiplying by 3 minus 3 into x minus 3 equals to x according to question. So when we simplifying it, we get the value of x, which is 18 year. So A is the correct answer. Next one. 4 years ago, a father was 2 and 3 by 4 times elder than his daughter in age. if the total age of 2 then is 60 year, the present age of daughter is A is 8 year, B is 12 year, C is 20 year, D is 16 year, E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that 4 year ago a father was 2 and 3 by 4 times of the elder than his daughter in age. Now the correct answer of this question is 20 year. So solution of this question is 4 year ago, let the age of daughter is x year. So the age of father will become 2 and 3 by 4 of x. So sum of these two ages is equals to x plus 2 and 3 by 4 of x equals to 60 year according to question. So x plus 11 upon 4x equals to 60 year. So we get 15x upon 4 equals to 60 year. So we can say that x will become 60 into 4 upon 15 which is equals to 16 year. So the present age of their daughter will become 16 plus 4 which is equals to 20 years. So C is the correct answer. Next one. Lata was married 6 years ago. Her present age is 1 and 1 by 4 times of the age at the time of her marriage. If her daughter's age is 1/10 of the her present age, then the age of her daughter is. Now the first option, there are 5 options. A is 1 year, B is 2 years, C is 3 years, D is 4 years, E is none of these. Now you have 10 seconds to solve this question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that Lata was married 6 years ago. Her present age is 1 and 1 by 4 times of the age at the time of her marriage. Now the question is, if her daughter's age is 1/10 of the 10th of her present age, then the age of her daughter is. So the correct answer of this question is 3 years. C is the correct answer. Now see the solution of this question. Let Lata's age at the time of marriage is x year. So we can say that Lata's present age will become 5 upon 4x year, because at the time of marriage, Lata's present age was 1 and 1 by 4 times of the age at the time of her marriage. So also Lata's present age will become x plus 6. So we can say that 5 upon 4 of x equals to x plus 6. So when we compare it, we get 5 upon 4 of x minus x equals to 6, which is we get x equals to 24. This is our equation 1. So her daughter age is 1 by 10th of the 5 upon 4 of x. So we can say that it will become x upon 8 year. This is our equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, we can say that her daughter is 24 upon 8, which is 3 year. So C is the correct answer.